Hey guys, MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and this time we have a burst Combover Mohawk. Now before we do any cutting, you want to be sure the hair parting is nice and contoured to the head. Using the corner of your trimmer, you want to set in an oval shaped baseline. Then you want to remove all the bulk left underneath. Remember that everything you do to one side, you must do to the other. With your lever open, make a 1/2 inch guideline using the corners of your blade. Now slap on the 1.5 guard open and make a full inch guideline above. I now close up the lever and hit that first baseline we made, opening it up little by little as we go up. With your 1/2 guard halfway open, make a 1/2 inch guideline. Fully open up your lever now and hit it a 1/4 inch above. If you happen to see any line above this step, play around with the number 1 to remove it, again only using corners. Finally, we will remove the last line left by opening up the lever, no guard. Guys, the other side is the exact same process. Make sure you stay patient and focus on details. On here I did decide to place the comb over line to make it look a bit sleek. Also, hairspray before lining up can make a huge difference. As for shear work, I do like using the thinning shears to shred down any excess bulk. When working on beards, you want to make sure you leave everything symmetrical. YouTube, once again, I'm MartyBlendz. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.